English Lesson 2: Books, Reading, and Expressing Opinions. Hi, and welcome to Lesson 2 in our course. In this lesson, we will learn words and expressions about books and reading. We will start with very simple sentences. We will then gradually increase their complexity. This method of learning from context will help us improve our vocabulary about not only books and reading, but also about hobbies in general, as well as about expressing opinions. So, what are we waiting for? Let's start. This is Anna. Anna loves reading books. Let us say hi to her. Hi Anna, what are you reading at the moment? Hi, I'm currently reading Harry Potter. It's a wonderful book about a boy wizard. Wow, that sounds very exciting. Have you already read this book? Yes, I have, when I was a child. I am now rereading it, because it is still my favorite book. And who's your favorite writer? Let me think for a second. I usually read fiction, so my favorite writer is Mark Twain. He's such a brilliant author. His works are incredibly entertaining. I'd recommend them to anyone interested in good adventure stories. Great recommendation, thank you. It is clear that you are very interested in and knowledgeable about reading. Could you tell us what makes this activity so enjoyable? And what is your opinion on books and reading in general? In my opinion, books are great because they let us travel to new, distant places and meet new interesting people and characters. And the best part is that all of it happens in our imagination, which means that we don't have to leave our homes to experience wonderful new adventures. Second, reading helps me calm down and relax. It's such a relaxing activity, especially after a long, exhausting day at work. 5 minutes of reading is all it takes for me to become fully relaxed. Finally, most books aren't very expensive. In other words, most books are quite affordable. That makes reading a fun activity that everyone can pursue. Personally, I love visiting bookstores. But I also love buying old, used books. They're my favorites, actually. They simply have so much soul. I do also love borrowing books from libraries. Today, we can even read e-books online. I believe they're a great learning resource. And I'm fascinated by how technology is advancing. But for me, nothing can replace the feeling of paper under my fingertips. Paper books simply have more warmth. That's why I prefer them. Thank you very much, Anna, for introducing us to a world of reading and sharing your thoughts and views on this wonderful activity. And thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, consider sharing it with your friends who are also learning English. And don't forget to subscribe to stay informed about new upcoming lessons. See you in the next one!